Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. I have already taught you the portrait drawing from the front and in profile. Is there any doubt? Please ask. Today's episode is somewhat tougher than the previous. Today I am going to teach you how to draw portraits in 3/4 view. This is the 3/4 view. So let's start. Materials you need are a A4 sketch pad, HB pencil, 4B pencil, 6B pencil, a soft eraser and a sharpener. First, draw a circle using HB pencil. Actually, it is a sphere for 3/4 view. Draw a center line from the top to the bottom of the sphere. Now, draw an ellipse at the right side of the sphere as I am showing. Draw cross lines intersecting at right angles to each other, and the point of intersection must be on the center of the ellipse. Now make a rectangle inside the ellipse. Actually, it's a square. For 3/4 view, it becomes a rectangle. Extend the top, middle and bottom lines. The top line is the hairline, middle brow line and the bottom line is the nose line. Now locate the chin and jawline. Take the measurement from the brow line to the nose line. Use this measurement to locate the chin line. Here A equals B. Now locate the eye line. The eye line will be at the halfway down the head. Take the measurement from the top to the bottom of the head. The eye line is at the half of this measurement. Draw eyebrows and nose. Now draw both the eyes. The eye at the left side will be shorter in width in comparison to the eye at the right side. Locate the mouth line. If we divide the gap between the nose line and chin line into 3 equal parts using 2 divided lines, the mouth line will be at the top line. Draw the lips. See carefully the drawing of the lips. Remember, In three-quarter face, the left part will be shorter than the right part, as shown in the figure in enlarged form. Now draw the ear. It will start from the eye line, goes up to the brow line, and then curved to the nose line. You can locate the ear in the picture. Draw the outline of the three-quarter face. Now, with couple of contour lines, draw the neck. Next, draw the hair and give some shading so that it looks as mass. Now complete the drawing using some sorts of shading. This is the final picture. Start another exercise to understand the concept of portrait drawing in three-quarter form. This is the final drawing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if there is any doubt or query, please put a note in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.